A multidisciplinary team comprising curriculum developers, trainers, assistive technology specialists, occupational therapists, and social workers come together to develop the curriculum to be accessible to trainees with PAN disabilities. Delivery of lessons has been designed to cater to various forms of learning, be it visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. This is especially important in the context of persons with disabilities, as some of them will be very much dominant in a particular form of learning. iCOS trainers are assessed prior to entry to determine their accommodations needed. Together with AT specialists, trainers discuss about the incorporation of AT devices, software and other accommodations that will be used in the training environment. A splint is custom-made for a trainee with a physical disability. This splint will help the trainee to type and click. An attachment, in this case a simple ice cream stick, provides better accuracy for the trainee. AT training is also provided earlier so that trainees have mastery of their accommodations. This visually impaired trainee is introduced to the use of a CCTV and its various features. The CCTV empowers the trainee with the ability to access hard copy material and also functions as a computer monitor. The trainee can switch between viewing a magnified image of a hard copy textbook using the CCTV as a computer monitor, or split the screen to show both. Trainees are also coached in the use of Microsoft Windows Ease of Access features. This trainee has a physical disability and is being trained to use sticky keys, a function to enable key combinations with the use of one hand. The IAC is located within the SPD Ability Center, a purpose-built accessible building for persons with disabilities. Ramps, circulation space for wheelchairs, and height-adjustable tables ensure that physically disabled users can access the training facilities. Lift buttons with braille, tactile safety strips and safety strips on sliding doors facilitate the safety of low vision users. A visual alerting system and training rooms equipped with an induction loop system benefit hearing impaired trainees. Training is conducted over a 6-month term to a class with PAN disabilities. Each trainee's desk is customized with the assistive technology that is prescribed for him or her. Soft skills, which are integral to the iCOS program, is taught and practiced in interactive and realistic scenarios. Various teaching methodologies are incorporated into the learning phase. Discussion, role play, and class presentations serve to reinforce learning points and internalize content. This supplements traditional training methods such as lecturing. Here, a visually impaired trainee is making the most of her assistive technology in the classroom. She can take notes in hard copy using the Zoom text feature in her CCTV. She is also using a large print computer keyboard with a high contrast color scheme, custom designed for those who have a hard time seeing existing commands on the standard keyboard. With training in the use of accessibility features in operating systems, physically disabled trainees have no problems using the keyboard with one hand. Some trainees without fine motor control are still able to access the computer and training materials. This trainee combines the use of several assistive technologies: a trackball in place of a mouse, the use of sticky keys, and a splint with an attachment for her to type on the keyboard. At age 44, Gerald is no longer able to read without a magnifier. Having completed vocational training, Gerald now works as a stock controller at the Animal Clinic in Singapore, managing the inventory for its 3 branches. Gerald uses a screen magnifier to read from his computer screen at work. He uses a desktop video magnifier for reading documents and a handheld video magnifier to read the fine print on product labels. In order to read from his computer monitor, Gerald uses screen magnification software to enlarge the computer display. These assistive devices, together with the skills learned during vocational training, have enabled him to perform well in his job